Alright, I am back again. This is my second video of the day. I've never done that before, so I'm just trying to get as much info as I can out there to you guys. So what I'm going to be talking about in this one is mainly focusing on the new titanium silver model. I just did an unboxing of it earlier today that I'm uploading now. That'll be up by the time this one's up. But so what I want to go over today is just looking at the Milanese loop and the link bracelet and seeing how they look on the titanium. So let's go ahead and get some close-up shots of it with the link bracelet. Let me get that on real quick. If you take a look, as you can see, it's like just a little off. I mean, it's super close because the stainless steel isn't brushed, and this band is actually a brushed metal. So, but I don't know if it's just that, you know, the brush on the watch itself goes in an opposite direction that just makes it kind of look a little odd to me, or just the slight color difference, because the stainless steel is a very different color than the link band, but they go well together. Where in this case, I feel like they're almost there, and there's so much almost there that the offness of the color just looks weird. That's my initial impressions. Like, I mean, it's all up to you guys if you like it or not. So far, like, I did a poll on Instagram. Everybody seems to think it looks okay. But me personally, I don't know. I don't know. There's something off with that. So, okay. So now let's pair it with the Milanese loop. Once again, I'm not a huge fan. I really wanted to love this. So yeah, so once again, you know, you can see the difference in the steel, because this one actually has the stainless steel lugs. And it's just, the titanium kind of gives off this like really thin, like yellow goldish color. Like, I don't know, and just maybe it's just the way my lights are hitting it, but that's what I feel like it's giving off. And that's just not, it's not what I want. So yeah, I mean, it looks okay. I mean, it doesn't like stand out too crazily, but to me, like, I feel like you'd probably be better off with getting the space black link bracelets and Milanese loop. I think those would probably look better. I actually have the space black Milanese, so let me go ahead and go grab that real quick. I am back, so let's pair this with the space black and see what that one looks like. Throw that one off to the side. Yeah, I think it looks better. I feel like it's kind of like a gold watch model, to where even the gold Milanese loop might look pretty good on it. But I do think this look actually looks better on the watch than the stainless steel. So I think you'd probably be better off going with the space black if you really want to get the titanium to look good with a band, because I think it's just close enough, but just off enough to where it doesn't flow well. That's my opinion. I am not a fashion expert at all. But yep, that's all this video was. Just a quick little look at different bands that might go with your titanium watch. Hope you find it useful, interesting. Be sure to subscribe down below. Leave a comment. Anything else you want to see compared before I have to send something back, because I'm not keeping both of these watches. Can't afford to do that. But yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching.